Alright, this is Dawson Springs in the war zone after the December 10th tornado. As you can see, they are rebuilding, but a lot of people are cutting out and leaving due to city taxes and everything else. So that's what's going on. The city's raised the rates to for everything, building permits, you name it. Alright, kind of getting out of the war zone right now. I'm getting ready to go back in it. I'm gonna go see what the apartments look like down here where I was doing search and rescue. And that road is closed. So that's what we're doing. See, over here they didn't really get touched, but you can definitely see, I mean, it's just like night and day. It's like you go from normal town America to a war zone in 2.5 seconds, basically. So I'm going to turn down here by the water tower. There's the water tower. Right where that bicycle is where I'm going to be turning again. As you can see, everything looks normal. And it kind of just slowly changes a little bit. You can tell a little bit of disturbance over here. And then you can notice the trees are fucked up. And then you notice there's a lot less trees, and then no trees. And we're in the war zone. That house got a new roof and everything else. This is the very edge of the war zone. Shit. Apartments are 100% gone. This is where I did search and rescue. These were 2-story apartments. All gone. Found 3 cats right there in that apartment. And then the man that I was looking for found him right here. It's a shitty deal. Fucking shitty deal. Go back over to where my friend is, because I gotta talk to him. That was what was it? Pine View Apartments, I believe is what it was called. So this is freaking just a horrible freaking deal down here. Trying to keep the phone somewhat low, that way if a cop sees me, I'm not freaking got the phone out, but not carrying too much. But the way the storm was coming was the same way we're going right now. Northeast. And so by the time it got over here, it had a lot more debris. And it did a lot of damage. This is where I first started during search and rescue. We noticed some of the roofs are still jacked up, but it's horrible. There's a house here. There's a mobile home. That's what's left of it. Camper, you know. So there's the tank where the Foreign Legion used to be. Wow. This right here is where I found my first person. He was in the back. He didn't make it. It was American Legion. Got my buddy up here. In this video.